Friction is an opposing force which comes to play when an object moves or even tries to move over the surface of another object. It acts along the tangential to the two surfaces in contact in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of the object. Friction arises due to the interlocking of irregularities present on the two surfaces in contact. According to modern view, friction arises due to the strong attractive forces between the atoms or molecules of the two surfaces in contact. Types of frictions. First one, static friction. It is denoted by Fs. It is an opposing force that acts on an object which is not in motion even after the application of the force. Second one is limiting friction. It is denoted by Fs max. It is an opposing force that acts on an object when it tends to move over the surface of another object but the actual motion has not yet started. It is the maximum value of static friction. Third one is dynamic or kinetic friction. It is denoted by Fk. It is the opposing force that acts between the surfaces of contact of two objects when an object is actually moving over the surface of the other. Kinetic friction is lesser than limiting friction, but it is constant. Sliding friction. It is an opposing force that arises when an object is sliding over the surface of the another object. Rolling friction. It is an opposing force that arises when an object is rolling over the surface of another object. Rolling friction is always lesser than the sliding friction. Rolling friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction and inversely proportional to the radius of the rolling object. So, rolling friction Fr proportional to normal reaction R divided by radius of the object R, or Fr equals mu R into R divided by R. Here, mu R is a proportionality constant. It is known as coefficient of rolling friction.